So this is ChatGPT. It is a service powered by an artificial intelligence neural network, model for short. It is also the brightest star in a galaxy of tens of thousands of artificial intelligences. I myself I am an AI researcher and have even contributed to a couple of stars here and there. But in Europe, though, this galaxy might be at risk of disappearing. And that is because the European Parliament has passed what's called the AI Act, which is a law that will promote trustworthy artificial intelligence, enforcing, for example, aspects like risk management when developing AI. But it will also introduce very complex and strict legislations, complex enough that researchers will find themselves struggling to, for example, take into account, keep track of every little amendment, update to the AI Act, but also keeping track of everything they will need to report, register, log, and also generating complex and extensive documentation. And that is why at Mocca we want to help them. We want to join and guide them step by step in their AI journey. And so we present our product, which is a software platform that will tell basically researchers in layman terms everything they will need to know about the regulation at all times. So for example, if a researcher wants to start working on a new neural network, the program will compile a list for them of everything they will need to keep track of, take care of, and it will update it for all the different phases of the development. But researchers don't do this process just once, and that's it. They don't work on just one AI, and that's it. They, for example, update their existing models. They work on diverse research lines at the same time. And that is why we will use a subscription model for Mocca. But who is exactly Mocca for? Well, it is for me, for people like me, people who work on small AI research labs or small startups who will find the AI Act very confusing and won't have the resources to have dedicated legal experts to assist them in this matter. Only in Europe there are more than 400 AI research labs, spanning more than 24,000 researchers. And that's only research labs in Europe, not accounting, for example, startups or other parts of the world who will be also interested in deploying their models in Europe. So at Mocca, what we want is to make it as comfortable as we can for them. We want to vastly reduce the knowledge about the regulations that they will need to have to keep working in AI in Europe. And you may be wondering, why us, though? First of all, because we have a lot of technical experts regarding, on one hand, AI, but also fairness and ethics, and also very knowledgeable about AI regulations. We are also especially motivated because this is also a problem for us as researchers. So we will be the first to benefit from Mocca existing. And also because of the same reason, we will know what Mocca needs to give researchers at the same time. And so we know there is interest, a place for a tool like this, but we need to be quick. We need to be the first to establish ourselves the first. We need to beat possible competitors, be ahead of the curve. The right moment is now. And that's why our plan is to start developing as soon as possible, having an MVP with the AI Act regulations implemented, and then we'll divide our work into adding new features while maintaining our platform and start working on studying other regulations so that we can branch out to other, like for example, other territories like the UK, etc. And while all of this is happening, we will also assess viability of the product in parallel. But to finish, let's go back to what's most important, which is that we have a very beautiful galaxy of artificial intelligences. So let's help it grow so that safe, fair, transparent AI can keep giving light to Europe. Thank you.